Check this out, guys. We have a F150 outside the shop that does not start. So I did a bunch of tests. I tested the relay for the starter, test the wake-up wire for the PCM. Some of the tests that I already did to make sure I have power to the PCM, power and ground. Brought my breakup box now. Now I'm testing the high can and the low can to see if those wires are shorted. We testing the high-speed wire from the PCM. I'm going to get a pin in a second. The high-speed wire, I already marked it right there. We're going to test that wire to the inside of the breakup box to see if they are connected or not. So wish me luck. Hopefully we figure out what's going on with this truck or not. I have my connector right here. It's marked. There you go. 59 high-speed can. That's the first test I did. Test the high and low. Make sure they was connected, but I got high resistance. That's an issue. So we have to move on to the next pinpoint test.